Greetings and welcome to this video on user limitations for Hikvision NVRs. In this example, we'll explore the factors that influence the number of users who can simultaneously access an NVR with 12 connected cameras. Before starting, we have prepared a video about this, which you must pay attention to while I'm explaining the show. Network bandwidth. The primary consideration is the NVR's incoming and outgoing bandwidth capacity. For this specific NVR, the bandwidth is 256 megabit per second under normal conditions and 200 megabit per second in RAID mode. Video compression. The video compression format also plays a crucial role. Choosing H.265 plus will reduce bandwidth consumption but increase CPU usage. Conversely, H.264 will consume more bandwidth but lower CPU load. Network speed. The network speed is another critical factor. 10, 100, 1000 megabit per second. Network can accommodate more users compared to a slower network. Hikvision storage and network calculator. Hikvision provides an online storage and network calculator tool to estimate bandwidth, storage, and recording duration. Using this tool, we can determine that 12 4-megapixel cameras under the given condition require 12 megabit per second bandwidth with H.265 plus, reducing bandwidth consumption. Several methods can be employed to reduce bandwidth consumption. 1. Lower resolution and frame rate. Reducing the resolution to 720 pixels and frame rate to 15 frame rate per second can significantly lower bandwidth to 5.5 megabit per second, allowing more users to connect. However, this compromise in quality may not be acceptable. 2. Motion detection recording. This feature, enabling motion detection recording, can further reduce bandwidth by only recording during motion events. This approach, however, increases the risk of missing critical events, especially in low light conditions. Additional considerations. 1. Network infrastructure. Upgrade to 1000 megabit per second network to support more users. 2. Device capabilities. Ensure the NVR and cameras are capable of handling the desired number of users and workload. Conclusion. The optimal user limitation depends on specific requirements and network capabilities. Balancing bandwidth, quality, and functionality is crucial. While older devices may have supported up to 32 users, modern NVR require careful consideration of the affirmation factors. Please remember, adjust camera settings such as resolution, quality, frame rate, bitrate, compression to optimize bandwidth and quality. Utilize the Hikvision storage and network calculator for estimations. Prioritize a robust network infrastructure and capable devices. Make informed decisions based on specific needs and constraints. Okay, based on the information we talked, please continue to watching the video. I try to change resolutions, encoding mode, and bandwidth testing to select best choice and fit your network bandwidth and CPU load or memory or etc. To support us, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and do not hesitate for any question. Leave a comment. I will answer that very soon. Thank you for support us. Bye now.